What's up, guys? Thank you for clicking on the video. So in this one, we're back at a cabin in Duck Creek, Utah, but we're gonna start the video back at the house. A couple deliveries, some things coming for the channel and for the Z06 ahead, so stick around.
You're watching KnightDriveTV.
So we're gonna be opening this up, see what's up in here for which car. Now, of course, it's for my C5 Z06. Hopefully this will work. I have seen one other person do it, but my concern is going to be something I'm going to outline. Just because something fits doesn't mean it works. So if not, it'll probably end up in this car for lace, but we'll see. I'll unbox it here in a second and you can see what the shipping guy brought. Are you ready? Well, I got the seat out of the box. She looks good, and that is the C8 GT2 seats. Obviously you see the airbag is removed, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this outer shell and this bracket in here. I'm going to take that off. There's going to be a hole in the side of the seat, and what I'm going to do is try and 3D print just a cover for that, and then obviously for future people that do this and see the video, I'm hoping to have that cover available. So I'm sitting on the couch and I'm wondering, you know, I got one box of lights. Lace carried them upstairs, and it usually comes with all the boxes. I had a Hong Kong delivery alert today, and I'm sitting on the couch here. It's 10 o'clock, and I get a text from DHL. It says, "Oh, your package has been delivered." I look at the picture, and I'm like, whose house is that? So I got to go look for a huge shipment of lights for KnightDriveTV for the kids. But this is what it's been. You know, this has been the toughest part of this whole time with KnightDriveTV. I can't believe the struggle that I'm going through to get through this redesign and get this stuff done. It's just like crazy how things happen. So I'm gonna go look over the neighbor's house. I'm gonna go scan the area to see if I can find my lights now. That's great. Those are my lights in the neighbor's house. The only thing I can be happy about is that I found them, because that's thousands of dollars of lights sitting over there at somebody else's house. All right, so yes, I have recovered them. The neighbor came over this morning, says, I don't know what this is, but here's your packages. So more boxes. They're gonna be happy to see me tomorrow. They get all upset at the UPS store. It's like they're not paid to pick up boxes. Get these in here before morning. That way we can get packed, head off to Utah around noon. But I got something coming tomorrow. Something I've been waiting for a long time. Just like you guys have been waiting for these lights, I've been waiting for some things. Well, it has arrived, and I've been waiting quite some time for this. While I'm here, oh yeah, we're packed up. We are packed up. Gotta get all these out to you guys. There's a bunch here, so we're gonna be getting these to the UPS store. I've just been waiting on this truck. Hopefully this guy can get over here. There he goes, right there. All right. Yeah, that's right. I have wanted to get one of these for years, and I finally did. Ordered it a while ago. I've splurged a little bit this year, just on little things for myself, and you know, I'm feeling a little spoiled. But you know, we're gonna shrink back up in 2023 and try and really scale the company. But I got this. This is super cheap for what you get. You know, $2,500. I have waited for it, but it's professionally assembled. They Loctited everything. They go over it, and it's supposedly a really decent little piece. I just wanted it for kind of cruising around here and cruising the desert, so I'm not sure how it's going to come. You know, I think it's pretty assembled. I'm not sure though, so we'll see. Well, of course, Lashes is out here coming poking around, seeing what I'm doing. What you see? What's in the
secrets?
What's in the hole there, Lace?
Secrets.
What's in there?
Something pretty serious.
All right, so I'm gonna. I don't know what to do. I should do an unwrapping at a later video, is what I should do, because I cannot believe. I mean, I don't know. You know, some people are used to these types of things coming from China. But I can't believe you can buy this for like 20. You could buy and not get the options I put into it, which was the professional assembly. You could get this thing for like $1,800. I don't understand how they build this. This exists. Number one, it gets built in China. It gets put on a boat. It gets sent over here. It gets sent then from wherever it lands to your place, and it gets here for $1,800 or $1,900. In my case, I got the professional assembly. They went over it. They checked it. They do all this stuff. It was $2,600. Unbelievable. Well, we have arrived at the UPS store. This is stack number 2. Got some more in the truck, but man, am I relieved, guys, to get these out to you. It's going to make my Christmas so much better. I can relax. Well, by coincidence, we are leaving for our cabin trip from the exact same gas station as last year.
That is true.
So, which is weird because it's not really where we live. This is actually where Josh used to live, but we're up here. We got some firewood. We got everything in here.
It's like Sanford and Sons in here. It's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, and with the rooftop tent, it looks like Sanford and Sons. So we got everything. We're headed to Utah. Here we go. Nice little Main Street area. Some nice lights. So we're about 45 minutes from the cabin. So new places. It's cool to see new things. And so, all right, we're here. Hope you can hear me. I don't know, I'm behind the mic, but we're here. And it's snowy. It's not too bad. It's pretty cold. But I'm going to make my way up these stairs here and see what we got.
I hate these locks.
Okay. Alrighty. Well, that's rustic. Well, I'm prepared for the cold, as you can see. Stepping out of Vegas 3 hours ago. Now we're in freezing tundra. But the cool thing about this bedroom is it has like the overlook, and this is a porch. Look, you can even stargaze and things like that.
And then that goes back around.
I think this is the master, as it was labeled.
We had this place ready for everybody, honestly.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we thought Zach kind of wasn't sure when I booked this in August, or maybe it was even, no, it was earlier, June. We thought Zach would be here. We thought Mick would come back, so is what it is. So this goes down to another room. And then you have the porch, overlooks all the meadow and everything. This is a cool spot. Oh yeah, look. Boom! That's what we got, boom! Well, this is gonna look cool in the daytime, so we're gonna get everything out of the vehicles and we'll flash back and forward to tomorrow. You'll see the snow. Here it comes. Lace has converted the cabin into a Christmas extravaganza. She did it all herself. That's how she packs all these things. She took over.
A lot. That's a big tree.
You took over. It is. I did not expect it to be that tall. I got a 7-footer, and I'm like, well, it would be about here, and it's no, it's way up there. So she did it. So
it's a big tree.
That's right. We've returned some decorations. A little bit of flavor. Not bad at all for a quick job, huh, Lace? So that's right, we made it. So we got here last night, kind of wrapped things up, took a break. Lace got to the trees and got going. I started kind of setting up my office here, which I have a new drone, which I'll be incorporating into the channel. So I'm probably going to see that here, maybe in this video, maybe the next. But I just wanted to create like a cameraman outside the video. And you have Mavics, you have all these things, FPV drones, but I really wanted something that could be on its own. And so that's kind of the Christmas present to KnightDriveTV and the future cinematography of the channel. So that's kind of the present to KnightDriveTV. I opened it today. Yes, I did.
Yep.
She's cozy. We're out here in Duck Creek, Utah. We're at the top of the mountain. Pretty cool place. Pretty rustic cabin, and not bad, and kind of empty. We definitely got a big cabin, expecting a lot of people. My brother ended up going back to Louisiana, moving back. Colin ended up leaving, going back to Pennsylvania. People have to move on in their life. That's what they do. And no harm to them. They have to find their own way, and that's the way things are. Same with me and Lace. We have to do our thing and go on our path and our journey, and everybody has to just, create that pathway for themselves however they see fit. So as far as Josh, his wife, and the kids, it was definitely something we wanted to have them here. But again, people just take different pathways, and so I wish the best to them. And best to everyone, of course, on this Christmas holiday. So, it's been a tough year. What's the wrap-up, Lace?
It's been a crazy year.
Yeah, I mean,
it's been busy, especially right before Christmas, getting everybody's packages out to them. They didn't arrive for Christmas, but they were on their way before Christmas.
Yeah,
so
that was a big deal.
That was huge.
So, overall, it's just you have to go through these pivotal changes, and the kind of step one of this whole company and this KnightDriveTV thing was January of 2021. And we got through all that first phase, those pre-orders of the squares, got things shipped throughout 2021, kind of went into 2022, a little behind in my mind where I wanted to be, because I really envisioned having more products by that time. But, just the delays, the shipping issues, the supply chain issues, a lot of things contribute to all that, as well as the great demand from you guys who enjoy the lights that we've created over here. And obviously we released the round version, and so that created kind of a new demand. And I just got to the point in the middle of 2022. I decided, in order for the company to continue to grow and in order for things to move forward, you just have to make tough choices sometimes. And when it comes to moving, of course I didn't want to move. When it comes to redesigning the entire kit, of course I didn't want to redesign anything. But I have to go through those things, But
with that comes really good outcomes. I mean, obviously with the move, more space for the business to grow, and then obviously redesign, best brackets.
Right. We made a lot of kits going out. Kelsey's doing fantastically well. So
she's a great addition.
Yeah, she's been good so far, and I don't know if she watches these or not, but if she does, or her people do, she's been a great contributor so far, and I'm really hopeful for what she can contribute in the future. And I hope it's positive. I hope everything is good. We like to keep a very positive group, and no matter how big or small that group needs to be, that's trying to stay on path of just staying positive, looking to the future, being grateful for the things that we do have, and just being happy to be here.
Absolutely. Just bringing this out with a good Christmas, and, being able to spend some time with family is always good.
Right.
And then, 2023 is coming, and, there's just a lot coming for KnightDriveTV.
Yeah. It's all risk. You have to take the risk. You have to hope for the best. And without the customers and people who are watching this channel, watching us blab, it wouldn't be possible. You know what I mean? And that's the nature of any business, anything. Without the customers, you don't have a business. So that's why I've always tried to take care of you guys, answer emails, do as much as I can. But I am I'm very happy to take a couple days break here. And so Lace has made it wonderful for us to just come in here, turn it into an extravaganza of Christmas in an instant.
You gotta have that Christmas feel on Christmas.
Lace is gonna go race.
What?
Apparently.
You're gonna see it here on KnightDriveTV. Lace is going in lots of cars. Are you ready?
No. Yes and no.
KnightDriveTV is gonna see you from the beginning to the end. How fast can you go, Lace? How fast can you go, Lace?
I guess we're going to find out.
Are you going to attack?
I'm going to try.
Are you going to be conservative?
Might be a little of both.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Stick around, sub to Night Drive TV. You're going to see Lace go all in. Supra, NSX, CA Corvette, GTR.
Yes.
What's your favorite out of that? Huracan, Lambo.
I mean...
they've seen it on the screen right here.
Oh, they've seen it on the screen?
They see it right here.
Okay.
That's her options.
I don't know. I'm excited about the GTR, honestly.
Really?
I am.
You want to drive Godzilla?
I do. I am excited about that. Maybe more than the others.
One of these might surprise you.
Well, you know what my fear is in this? I'm going to want one of them. There's going to
Well,
be one that stands out.
We know that.
I know. I mean, I've wanted a GTR, but I've never really wanted, like, I like the C8, but personally for me, like, I want the C7. But out of all these cars, please don't let it be the Lambo.
Oh, God. Well, this is part of cabin styles. You got to go to a kind of a centralized garbage location. Pretty nice open area down here. Whoa, it's slippery. I almost fell.
No falling. No falling.
Well, we are kind of in the little village town of Duck Creek here. They have a couple little stores. You can see the main mode of transportation here. Bunch of side-by-sides. Apparently, Duck Creek, Utah has like the highest concentration of OHV trails or something. I don't know, anywhere. I've heard some tall claims. So. Alrighty, so that's our spot. We had a little breakfast. Good spot, good spot. Got a little winter weather rolling in. It's coming down. She's windy. We had pretty clear days being here, but looks like this last day we're gonna get a little bit of snow. So guys, I thank you for joining me in Lace at the cabin out here in Duck Creek. It's been fun. As you can see, you got a little present, little snowman. He talks to you. You can plug him in with a little USB, and he asks you all the questions that you need to be asked. And
here's to a good 2023.
Yeah, here's to a good 2023. So I'll let the snowman take it from here.
Where's my headlight? When are my headlights going to be delivered? Damien, let me back in. What did I say? It's cold out here.
Merry Christmas, guys. I
Yes,
hope
Merry
everybody out
Christmas.
there, is still with us in 2023. We have a lot planned with the medallions and the coins and just all these visions that I've had to kind of build this community of car enthusiasts, Corvette enthusiasts. And she remembers back in the car club, I had car clubs.
I still have some of those t-shirts.
Yeah, and I mean, so, that's what I was always about, was community. I made the events. I did all these things, and I'm going to do it again on Night Drive TV, bigger than it's ever been. So
And it's going to be good. Keep an eye for that.
it's going to be tough, but y'all stick in there with me. We're going to do something awesome over the next year or two, I really hope. And so I don't know. I don't know what part of this video is, but if it's the end, it's the end. So Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
We'll see you again before the new year. I'm going to pack in a couple of videos, but that is that.
You're going to pack in a couple more videos?
I'm going to try.
Non-stop. I'm telling you, he does not stop. I have a couple of you message me all the time, and it's like, does he sleep?
Come on.
I mean...
I wake up out of the bed like, Night Drive TV.
Pretty much.
What do I have to do?
Pretty much.
I wake up with my phone on my face. Hello? Mark Brockman, is that you bothering me again?